Shown here is the interior door panel. You will need to remove the door lock pull, purple arrow, SRS trim piece, yellow arrow, the door pull trim piece, red arrow, and the footwell light, blue arrow not shown. Begin by removing the door pull lock. It unscrews counterclockwise. Remove the door lock piece by unscrewing the single T20 torque head screw and pulling the trim piece straight back. Use your trim removal tool and gently pry the cover off of the pull handle, yellow arrow. With the handle off, use your T27 torque and remove the 2 screws inside the handle, yellow arrows, securing it to the door. Next, use your trim removal tool and remove the trim SRS trim piece located on the panel below the lock. Use a T20 torque and remove the screw behind this piece. There is a small footwell light under the map pocket that you can gently pry out with your trim removal tool and then disconnect the wires, yellow arrow. You will need to remove the small triangular shaped piece at the top front of the door that holds the speaker. Use your trim removal tool at the top by the glass and pop it out. It will slide forward as you remove it. Disconnect the wires from the speaker, yellow arrow. There are 7 clips that hold the panel to the sides and bottom of the door. Use your trim removal tool and gently pry the panel away from the door, yellow arrow. If your door panel has never been removed, it may take a little bit of force. Moving to the top of the panel, gently insert your trim tool and pry the door panel up and away from the door, yellow arrow. With the panel off, you need to remove the pull cable from the handle. Slip the metal end of the cable from the handle, yellow arrow, and gently extend the cable and slip it out of the channel, red arrow. Unplug the wiring for the seat controls, yellow arrow. Unplug the wiring for the power windows. The power window harness clip slides back and then the whole unit lifts out. This photo illustrates the 7 clips that secure the panel to the bottom and sides of the door, as indicated by the red arrows. When prying off, please try and get your trim removal tool as close to these areas as possible. This is what the door looks like with the panel off. You can see the speaker, red arrow, and the airbag unit, yellow arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.